Hello, this is Valerie at my Scrap Chick, and today we're going to put together the new bunny glasses. These are a fun little treat to tuck into the kids' Easter baskets. And the other thing that's nice, and this is what I'm planning to do, is being able to fold them flat and tuck them in the mail to send them off to the grandkids. And what I'm planning to do here is to use 3 layers for each part of the glasses because I am using a 67-pound cardstock. I need a little more strength, and so I am doing 3 layers. And the first thing I'm going to do is fold the score lines down for each of these, and then I will glue these together. And I find that by folding this part first, it'll keep its shape when you go to apply them, versus trying to put them together and then fold it up. It gets a little bit funky, so I'm doing it this way. And then this will be the outside of the arm of the glasses, and so here we put this one on. Now I'll do the same with this side. I'll probably speed it up a little bit here. Okay, so now we have the arms done, and I will put the layers of the glasses together and doing the same thing, one on top of the other. Now, when I go to line up the lenses on these glasses, I try to start by lining them up at the bottom and right along that nose piece, because I know you want to make sure it's all lined up all the way up the ears. So I found it's easiest to start down here, and then it just seems to fall into place further up the glasses onto the ears. So there we have that. And now before we put the arms on, I'm going to put on the earpieces. I just wanted to do some silver and gold. This is going to be for a grandson. And I thought he may not want pink, but he might like the silver and gold. Okay, and then when we have the inner earpieces on, now we're going to attach the arms of the glasses. What I found, I'm going to flip this over. I found that when I'm working on my mat, I just kind of set this on my mat, lining it up along the bottom here, and then put some glue, good amount of glue right here. And this is going to go right in the center, and so I've just discovered that right on the 1-inch mark is where this part of the glass will go, because we want them up the arms at the same height on both sides. So this will go, see here, right about the 1-inch mark. A little bit of overflow there. And then I'll do the same on the other side, lining that up along the 1-inch mark. And it's this part of the glasses right here That'll be at the 1 inch. And that's all there is to it. Quick and simple, and I think the kids are going to love it. Enjoy.